Tax technologies have made information available to the users of tax data and also to the tax authorities in a way that just hasn't happened before. It's the revolution that happened with Google, with being able to search the internet and the information in the world. Technology applied to the tax space has done that same thing. So detailed financial records, the information that tax professionals need to do their job on the preparation and compliance side, and then the tax authorities need to do their job on the audit side, is available at a level of detail and with a speed that's just never been possible before. That enhanced speed of access to information really makes it possible to focus very quickly on the value-added work. You're no longer working through the mechanical process of collecting data. Now you can apply the value-added, what does this data mean in a broader context? And that's just completely changed the way tax professionals work. In a lot of ways, we're moving from the bookkeeper to the actual true consultant role in a major way. Well, in my role and with the various organizations we serve, the tax technology that we interact with the most is going to be on the data handling and the data management front. The core tax technology, honestly, would be Excel. It's the universal standard. And as the various vendors build out the capabilities of their software to speak to that sort of the core platform of Excel, it's really become the central toolbox. Is it new? No, but it's being used in new ways that haven't been seen before. Building in automation, building in the capability to process enormous volumes of data and to output the key triggers that we need as tax professionals to do our jobs. On the vendor side, the vendors have been extremely proactive about allowing you to interact with their software in new and efficient ways that weren't possible before this era of meshed interactivity.
So for financial institutions, banks, funds, and that sort of thing, they take advantage of our solutions to basically comply with these different jurisdictions' expectations. And so what you're seeing in the marketplace are all these added rules, forcing compliance, basically ensuring that individuals like me are reporting their taxes as expected. Well, personally, I don't think we're there yet. I think we're kind of, what we see here in the U.S. especially, the IRS has actually integrated a couple of new tax regimes, Affordable Care Act and now FATCA, here in the last couple of years. Their technologies that they're employing actually are setting up kind of the kind of a baseline for where I think we're going to eventually take it. May get then to the AI. We're not there yet, but right now we're having closer and closer system-to-system integration between business and government. So it's probably a few years out, but at least we're trying. At least these governments are considering the future with what they're building today.
I think we're going to see. So as tax technology evolves, we're going to continue to see a push to move the mechanical activities down to software. So whether it's collecting information, doing sort of basic level processing, the role traditionally held by a bookkeeper or first-year staff of mechanically assembling data according to set rules, a computer can do that. They've already been able to do that. As the capabilities of the software grows, the number of tasks that sort of fit into that box will get correspondingly bigger. The beautiful thing is, as we push that entry-level work down to a machine, is it frees up the professionals, the human beings, to do value-added work, where we're getting to actually look at what does this data mean in context. Let's not worry about assembling the data. Let's worry about what does what does it mean as part of a larger picture?